Welcome to Vancic Maths. Today we look at integration. Integrate x squared arctan x dx. Remember to subscribe. So when you have arctan x, this one is the same as saying the integral of x squared. The integral of x squared tan inverse of x dx. So we are going to use integration, and the method we shall have integration by parts. So when you have u dv, now you shall have uv minus v du. So we let one part to be u, the other part to be v, and one part to be u, the other part to be dv, and dv, this one should be easily integrated. So if you look at this our equation, we shall have our dv to be x squared. So if you want v, now the integral of x squared, which is now increase the power, divide by the power, so x cubed over 3. Then our u will be tan inverse of x. So you're going to do the integral, we find we differentiate du dx here of tan inverse of x. So if you have this equation, is the same as saying x is equals to tan u. If u is tan inverse of x, then it means x is tan u. So now the x du, when you differentiate tan u, it will be sec squared u. So we are interested in du dx. So du dx, which is our main interest here, du dx. Now the inverse of this, now it will become 1 over sec squared u. But we know from our identity 1 plus tan squared u is the same as sec squared u from trigonometric identity. So now du dx will be equal to 1 over sec squared u is the same as 1 plus tan squared u. So it will be 1 over 1 plus, but we know tan u is x, so tan squared u, now it will be x squared. So now you come and we have du dx is equals to 1 over 1 plus x squared. So we can make du the subject because we need to substitute here. So your du will be 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. So we rewrite now from the formula. So you have u dv is equals to uv. Our u is tan inverse of x, then v is x cubed over 3, and you have minus now the integral of v du. So our v is x cubed over 3, then du, our du is 1 over x plus over 1 over 1 plus x squared dx, like that. So we have tan inverse of x cubed over 3 minus the integral, so this constant 1 over 3 outside, and you have x cubed over 1 plus x squared dx. So you need to integrate this part. We can simplify it. you find that the upper part, the degree of x is 3, then the lower part is 2. So you can do simplification by doing long division, where you have x cubed divided by 1 plus x squared. So it goes here, x times, you'll have x plus x cubed. When you do the subtraction, x cubed minus x cubed, then here you have 0 minus x, you will get negative x. So it simplifies to, now we have x plus, not plus, minus x over 1 plus x squared. So now we have that part. Now it will be a third, the integral of x minus x over 1 plus x squared dx. So reaching here, it will be easy to integrate. This one you can use way of integration by substitution. This one, it will be easy also. So the first part we had already gotten, that tan inverse of x cubed over 3. So we shall have tan inverse of x cubed over 3 minus a third. Now the integral of x, we know it will be x cubed, x squared over 2. Then we have minus, when you do integration by substitution, the lower part will be the ln of 1 plus x squared. So we have a half ln, so we have ln 1 plus x squared, like that.